Something strange is happening in AI right now. While everyone is focused on ChatGPT and Gemini, a quieter player is starting to dominate where it actually matters. Not in hype, but in results. Claude Code isn't trying to be everything. It's focused on doing one thing better than anyone else. And that's exactly why it might be slowly outperforming them both. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to master it like a pro, even if you've never written a single line of code. What Claude Code really is. Let's simplify this. Claude Code is not just another chatbot. It's not something you open, ask a question, and close. It's something that works inside your system, inside your terminal, inside your actual project files. And that changes everything. Unlike traditional AI tools that generate snippets, Claude Code operates like an agentic system, meaning it doesn't just respond, it acts toward a goal. So instead of saying, write me a function, you can say, build me a full web app with login, dashboard, and database, and it will. Understand your request, plan the architecture, write multiple files, run commands, fix errors, and iterate until it works. It can read your entire code base, edit files across directories, run tests, and even push updates, just like a real developer. This is not AI assisting you. This is AI working with you. And that's a completely different game. Set up. Let's get you started. Step 1. Open your terminal. On Windows PowerShell. On Mac/Linux terminal. Now install Claude Code using the official command. npm install g at Anthropic AI/Claude Code. Once installed, type Claude and press enter. The first time you run it, it will ask you to log in. Just connect your account. And then something interesting happens. You don't see a chatbot. You see a workspace. A clean interface. Waiting for instructions. At this moment, you're not chatting anymore. You're directing. Set up Git. Now this is where most beginners fail. And it's also the most important step. You need Git. Why? Because Claude Code is powerful. And powerful tools can break things. Git allows you to save versions of your code, track changes, go back if something breaks. Claude can edit entire files and systems. Without version control, you're taking a risk. Here's the smart move. Ask Claude directly. Set up Git for this project. Because Claude can run commands and manage tools in your environment. Next, create a GitHub account. Then connect it using Git auth login. Now Claude can create repositories, push updates, manage commits. At this point, you're not just experimenting, you're building like a real developer. Use a code editor. Here's how professionals actually use Claude Code. Not just in terminal, but inside an editor like Visual Studio Code. Why? Because now you can see files live, watch changes happen, understand structure, open your project folder, open terminal inside it, type Claude. Now you're inside a real development environment. Claude can edit files, and you can see everything. This is where beginners become builders. Your first project. Let's build something simple. Type, create a tic-tac-toe game I can play in my browser. Press enter. Watch carefully. Claude will create HTML, add JavaScript logic. Build game mechanics, structure files, then say run it, and it opens in your browser. Just like that, you built a game without writing code. Now imagine scaling this to SaaS, apps, dashboards, tools, automations. This is where things get serious. Modes. This changes everything. Claude has different modes. And this is where beginners turn into pros. 1. Ask mode. Safe mode. Claude asks before doing anything. 2. Code mode. Execution mode. Claude acts faster with fewer interruptions. 3. Plan mode. Most important. This is the secret. Instead of jumping into code, Claude creates a full strategy. And here's why that matters. Claude Code follows a loop. Understand. Act, verify, repeat. If you skip planning, you get messy output. If you plan properly, you get structured systems. Always start with create a plan, think like a pro. Here's the real difference between beginners and pros. Beginners, build me an app. Pros, I want a web app with authentication, dashboard, API integration, and clean UI. Create a plan first. Claude will break it into architecture, features, components, data flow. Now, instead of chaos, you have clarity, and clarity leads to better results. This one habit alone will put you ahead of most users. Models knave your nunny. Claude has different models. Opus most powerful, Sonnet balanced, Haiku fast and efficient. Each has a different cost and capability. Smart users don't use the most powerful model for everything. They optimize. Strategy: use Haiku small tasks, use Sonnet daily work, use Opus complex builds. This keeps performance high and cost low. Automate everything with GitHub. Now here's where it gets insane. You can tell Claude, create a repo, save everything, push changes automatically. And it does it, because Claude integrates directly with tools like GitHub and CLI systems. That means every version is saved, every change is tracked, every mistake is reversible. You're now working like a professional team, even if you're solo. Memory.md file. Here's a hidden feature most people ignore. Claude doesn't remember everything forever. So, you give it memory. Type init. This creates a configuration file, like Claude.md. These files define how the AI behaves across sessions. Inside it, you can add rules like always use Git, follow this structure, save frequently. Now Claude becomes consistent, not random. And consistency is power. Shortcuts that save hours. Here are pro shortcuts. Shift plus tab switch modes. Escape stop execution. Up arrow reuse commands. Alt plus enter new lines. These look small, but they save hours over time. Background tasks and agents. Now we go advanced. Claude can run tasks in the background. Like server scripts, process is even more powerful. You can assign roles. Think of it like a team. One agent front end, one back end, one testing. This is not coding anymore. This is orchestration. And that's the future. Common mistakes. Let's be honest. Claude is powerful, but not perfect. Common mistakes: vague prompts, no planning, blind trust, no version control. Even experts have pointed out reliability issues in complex tasks, so guidance still matters. Fix these, and your results improve instantly. How to actually master it? Here's the truth. Claude Code is not about coding. It's about thinking. If you can, explain clearly, break problems down, guide the system, you will win. Because Claude handles execution. You handle direction. And that combination is unstoppable. Right now, most people are still using AI like a chatbot. They ask questions, get answers, and move on. But a small group is building, creating, automating, scaling. And tools like Claude Code are giving them an unfair advantage. So the real question isn't, can AI code? The real question is, can you use it properly? Because in the next few years, the best developers won't be the ones who write the most code. They'll be the ones who think the best. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay ahead of the curve. Because in the world of AI, the biggest opportunities are still hidden.